That's Grandma? Grandma Minion?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here is big. This is a big sickle for Papa.
Okay.
And here's his little eye.
Mm-hmm.
Here's a big eye. And here's his nose. And here's his mouth.
Aww.
And he needs legs.
Okay.
And I'm going to draw a little cookie. I'm drawing a little head for her. And here's a little eye. And here's a little other eye. And here's a little nose. And here's a little mouth. And here's a little paw. Look, Chloe!
Oh. So that's Grandma,
Yeah.
Papa, and Chloe. Lovely. They will love it.